Friends, hello everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome you to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and also tell you how you can add multiple photos to your Instagram story at once. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and write your comments after watching this video. So, let's get started with you and me. Please open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, swipe from the right side to the left side. This will take you to the story creation. And here you can either take a photo with your Instagram camera, or you can upload a photo if you tap right here in the bottom left corner, and it'll take you to your galleries. So you can select some photo one here. Then, in order to add more photos, you'll need to click on this sticker right here at the top and then select a photo. And now you can further select the photos that you want to add more. And now this photo you can zoom in or zoom out, also move it to any corner. And also you can do more than once. Choose the photos that you like. After you choose all the photos, you can click on the arrow in the bottom right corner to put this story with several photos in your profile. Friends, this is a very easy and simple way to add multiple photos to your Instagram story at once. I really hope that this video was useful to you, that it helped you. Please put your likes, be sure to write comments, subscribe the channel. See you soon.